Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss chapter Polynomials of class 10th CBSE pattern worksheet sums guys. Let's start. So today we are going to discuss polynomials of 1 to 3 sums. First one, for what value of k is 3 a 0 of a polynomial f of x equal to x square plus x plus k? So find the value of k is 3a 0 of the polynomial f of x equal to x square plus x plus k guys. So first start on what is given in the question. Given that f of x equal to x square plus x plus k, we need to find the value of k, and given that 3 is a 0 of the polynomial, so we can write in this manner: x minus 3 equals 0 is a 0 of the polynomial. So substitute x equal to 3 in the given value, in the given x value, in the given function. So it becomes 2 into 3 square plus 3 plus k. Simplify. We get k equal to minus 21. We get k equal to minus 21. Okay. Let's go for second sum. So second sum guys, if x plus k is a HCF of x square minus 2x minus 15 and x cube plus 27, then find the value of k. So they give two polynomials here, x square minus 2x minus 15 and x cube plus 27, and they gave x plus k is the HCF of the given two polynomials. We need to find the value of unknown value, that is k. Okay, let's start. So given that first write down what is given in the question. Given equations are x square minus 2x minus 15 and x cube plus 27 guys, and given that x plus k is the HCF of given two polynomials. So we can consider in other way also. This one we can consider the f of x, and this one we can consider g of x, where common factor for both f of x and g of x is x plus k, and we need to find k value here. We can write in that way also. Okay. So given that x plus k is a factor of x square minus 2x minus 15 and x cube plus 27 guys. So first take down the first polynomial and take the factors of 15. The middle term is 2. 3 into 5, 3 minus 5 is 2. Okay, we get x minus 5 therefore we get x minus 5 and x plus 3 guys. Okay, so therefore the factors of first polynomial is x equal to 5 and x equal to minus 3. So similarly we can find factors. So similarly we can find factors for x cube plus 27 guys. So how can we express 27 as the factors of 3, as a power of 3? Sorry, we can write 27 as 3 cube, right? So this is in the form of a cube plus b cube form. Okay, so a cube plus b cube, what is the formula to find a cube plus b cube form as a factors form? A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So substitute the values. We get x plus 3 into x square minus 3x plus 9. So in the both polynomials we have x plus 3 is a common right? Therefore k equal to 3 guys. Therefore k value equal to 3. Okay, I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.